Hi guys, Jalisa here. Today I am going to be styling my hair with some products from Uncle Funky's daughter. You guys have watched me use these products on my channel numerous times, and today I'm going to be bringing you yet another style using the products. So first, what I'm going to do is start off by parting my hair on the side. And as you can see, my hair is stretched because I went through and blow dried my hair before I started this style. So I am going ahead and parting my hair into 3 sections on the side. And what I'm going to do with these sections is actually flat twist them. So I'm going to be using the SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream and applying a little bit onto that section of hair before I start flat twisting. As you guys can see, my hair has grown a lot since I got this color, and I'm super excited. I'm loving this ombre look. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of that product on my hair and starting at the very root of my hair at the beginning and flat twisting as tight as I can get it all the way back, and I'm going to twist my hair all the way down. Next up, I'm going to continue to flat twist, and as you can see, it's coming together really nicely. I'm going to go back through at the end and actually lay my edges. We're not going to worry about that right now. So now that I have my hair all flat twisted on the side, I'm going to take these gray Flexi rods and apply them using the SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream and the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So with these Flexi rods, I usually just go ahead and wrap my hair around the rods without twisting my hair at the root. But I wanted to try something different to really stretch this look out and not have it so shrunken at the front. So I twisted my hair at the root, and then I went ahead and put the rod onto my hair. So I'm going to continue through and show you guys how I flat twist this whole front section of my hair, because as you can see, I sectioned off the back section to style that later because it's going to be a little bit different. So again, I am going through and applying the SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream first, and then putting the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator on top. And before I apply this Flexi rod, I like to go through with my dimming brush and brush through my hair to make sure that it is smooth and all the tangles are out. And when I wrap the Flexi rod in my hair, I make sure that it is very tight because I don't want my curls to be all loose and not right. So I just make sure it's secure by wrapping the rod around. So next up, we're going to start working on the back of my hair, and like I said, this is going to be a little bit different. So I am taking a ponytail holder and putting my hair into a tight ponytail. And then with the remaining hair, I'm just going to start wrapping my Flexi rods, my purple Flexi rods. They're slightly smaller than the gray ones that I applied in the front, but I wanted these to be a lot smaller so that I could get tighter curls, smaller curls, so that at the end, when I start to fluff out this section of my hair, it's easier to fluff out and have a more curly look. So when I apply these Flexi rods, I did the same method with the gray rods, except I did not twist my hair at the root, of course. I applied the SuperCurl Miracle Moisture Cream first, and then I followed up with the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator and brushed through the section of hair and applied the rod. So this is what I got. Now, I did sit under a hair dryer for about 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half to dry my hair. I did not sleep in these rods overnight. I could have, but for the sake of this video, I needed to go ahead and take down these rods. And so make sure you guys that your hair is completely dry. As I was taking my rods down in the front, I did notice that it was just a little bit damp. So you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry when you you do this style. So I'm taking my flexi rods down as careful as I can because I don't want to mess up the curls before I even go in to start separating them. And after I take all of the flexi rods out of the front, I'm of course going to go into the ponytail and start taking those down as well. Now my curls that are in the ponytail are 100% dry and they turned out so perfect. Before I start separating my curls, I'm going to be taking the glossy finishing hair polish and spraying a little bit of that on my curls so that I can shine up my hair and avoid any frizz that I may get along the way. Now, as I am separating my curls in my ponytail, I am making sure to be extra careful because I don't want to cause any frizz, of course. And I am also separating these curls as much as I can because who likes a flat ponytail? So I am going to separate as much as I can, and then after I separate, I am going to grab my pick and I am going to pick out this ponytail to make it a little bit bigger. Again, being careful not to cause any frizz or just make a mess out of this ponytail. But right now it's looking really nice. Alright, so now we're moving on to the front part of my hair where these gorgeous big curls are, and I'm going to start at the bottom on the side of my hair. As you guys can see, those curls are so gorgeous, and I'm separating these curls a good bit at the bottom, and then as I work my way up to the top, I am not going to separate too much because I started to notice that my hair was damp right in the front. I think it's because of the hair dryer that I was using. The heat was not getting to the front as much as it needed to. That's my fault. I'll know next time. But these curls are still gorgeous, and I love the way that my color looks with these flexi rock curls. Now for my flat twist on the side, I just grabbed some hair jewelry and I'm putting 2 on each of those flat twists. And this is the style, you guys. I really enjoyed creating this style using Uncle Funky's Daughter products. If you guys would like to try out their products, definitely check out your local Target or you can order online. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.